Stop sending generic emails and start delighting your subscribers with hyper-personalized content using Beehiiv's custom fields. Today, we're diving deep into how to implement and leverage custom fields within your Beehiiv platform to supercharge your audience segmentation and communication. This is where you unlock truly targeted messaging, boosting engagement and conversions like never before. First, let's get those custom fields set up. Navigate to your Beehiiv dashboard and click on the Subscribers tab. From there, you'll see an option to manage your fields. Click on Add New Field. Now you'll define your custom field, give it a clear and descriptive name. Think of what information you want to track, for example, industry, job title, or interest area. Next, choose the field type. Beehiiv offers several options: text for freeform input, number for numerical data, Dropdown for predefined choices, and date for specific dates. Select the type that best suits the information you're collecting. If you choose Dropdown, you'll be prompted to add your specific options. This is fantastic for consistent data capture. For instance, if you're creating an industry field, your options might be technology, healthcare, finance, and so on. Once created, you can easily add these custom fields to your Beehiiv sign-up forms. This is your primary way to collect this valuable subscriber data. When new subscribers sign up, they'll populate these fields directly. Now for the magic segmentation. With your custom fields populated, you can segment your audience based on this data. Head back to your subscribers list and look for the filter options. You'll now see your custom fields listed there. Let's say you want to send a special offer to everyone in the technology industry. Simply select your industry, filter, choose technology from the dropdown, and Beehiiv will instantly show you that specific segment of your audience. This segmentation power directly translates to personalized email content in your email composer. You can use merge tags to dynamically insert custom field data. For example, instead of a generic greeting, you can use "Hi, first name," or even tailor your message based on their interest. As an industry professional, we know you'll love this. By leveraging custom fields, you can craft highly relevant messages that resonate with each subscriber, leading to significantly increased engagement and conversion rates. Start personalizing today and watch your Beehiiv results skyrocket.